Hey guys, so in today's video we're going to be doing a lot of things because I have a ton of homework and studying to do. I also need to cook and clean. I've been letting things pile up, like I have a bunch of clothes laid out right now that I need to put away. But I don't want to get super stressed and overwhelmed, even though I'm already super stressed and overwhelmed. So I want to include some self-care habits throughout the day. So I'm just going to take you through my day and let's see what we can accomplish. Yeah.
Child, I know you're hurt and you can't let go. It's not your fault and you don't deserve all the bad and the hurt. I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright. Your life you've tried.
You have to be your biggest fan, and when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says I just have to follow that, because you don't know who you're going to meet, who you're going to meet, who you're going to meet.
So I want to put on my robe because it's going to be hard to, take off a shirt if I have a mask on. I rinsed my face.
Because you don't know who you're going to meet,
I'm not trying to have any eyebrow hairs come out because I barely have any. Obviously I'm doing a face mask right now, but self-care is not just, the physical like beauty stuff or things like that. I think like cleaning my room was really good for my state of mind because, if my mind is all my thoughts are jumbled up, and then I look at my room and my room is all jumbled up too. I'm just like, oh my goodness, my life is a mess. And yeah, so that helped a lot. And then cooking so that I don't end up like not eating or end up eating like not that healthy or something. I think the food that we put in our bodies really affects our state of mind. And yeah, the part that I'm dreading coming up is the homework and stuff. But I'll think of some other self-care activities to do in between my study sessions and stuff. But yeah, I just wanted to mention that. Ready? I'm gonna smile. It's just gonna crack. Hello. Now I can talk. That's good. Okay, let's do this.